Boy, right now Jamaica's still trying to pick up the pieces after Hurricane Melissa. A lot of homes were destroyed, lives lost, roads cut off, no light, no food, and plenty people that still can't reach them family overseas. The whole island is in survival mode. But in the middle of all of this chaos, I keep asking myself, have we forgotten Jayden Smith? Bless up people and welcome to my channel. You know that I'm Zandramah and this is where truth, talk and transformation buck up in our real stories with real reason. Yes man. Look here now. Make sure to tap, share, follow and follow the show because you know that's your support. It's gonna help me grow. Don't it? Yeah man, you know what to do. So just do the thing.
Thank you.
Now before we dive in, let's take a quick look back because maybe some of you are hearing his name for the first time. Jaden Smith was a bright 12-year-old boy from Manchester, full of life, full of dreams. One morning, he left home like any other day and he never came back. His disappearance shook the community. People searched, prayed, and shared his photo all over social media. For weeks, everyone hoped for good news, but then silence. No confirmed sightings, no closure, just questions hanging heavy in the air. And then came Hurricane Melissa, washing over the islands, breaking everything in sight, and somehow washing away the story of this little boy too. But as Jamaica rebuilds, I keep wondering, how can a child just vanish and we move on so easily? Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe and tap that bell icon because I'll be bringing updates like this every week. I may only know so I love people business and I don't want to miss the next season or miss what is trending. So do one for the please. Thank you very much. Big up yourself. Yeah. Now, this footage you're about to see is from Minister of Government Peter Bunting, his visit with Jaden's mother after the storm. He was checking in to see how she was holding up and reminding her that her son hasn't been forgotten. Let's watch this video.
Today is Thursday, 30th of October. I'm touring the Newport Division with Councillor Bryce, continuing our assessment of damage from Melissa. I have met the mother of Jaden Smith, Andreen Peart, and I'm using this opportunity to remind people that he is still not been found. I want to, in all the confusion around Melissa, I don't want him to be forgotten, and I want to give his mother a chance to make a direct appeal to the public. Go ahead.
Okay, everyone, not because Belly is blue, but that now was show the memory of my son. He's my fourth child. Next month, the 13th of November, 23 of November, will be 13-year-old, but he's not forgetting. I love my son so much. Even if I don't just see him for the last time, no, there's no more Jaden. But still,
We have hope.
me I want strength. The rest of them I have. In life, nothing can bring him back. Nothing. Money can't bring him back. House can't bring him back. Nothing. Thank you very much.
Jano Star. You see that look on her face? That's far away stare, like she's somewhere between faith and farewell. Boy, I don't know. It does feel like she reached a quiet acceptance that maybe her child, has just danced his way out of this place that didn't deserve his love. You know that I felt for a long time? I felt for a long time within my spirit, What about you? You believe Jaden might still be out there hiding somewhere, or you feel deep down that he's in heaven's playground? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I read them, every single one. But let's reason together. Personally, I believe the government of Jamaica should give the people some hope by escalating this investigation, bring in foreign assistance, use technology, trace the digital footprints, something. Let the family, the community, the diaspora see that this child's disappearance matters.
People of Jamaica, what do we want? Justice. Justice for whom? Jaden. When do we need it? Now. Say it loud. I want justice.
Well, Well, the police have been really working and community members have been joining the search. Everybody have been looking around. It's just a storm. Kind of derail people a little bit. But trust me, we're bounce back. You understand what I'm saying? Because we really and truly want justice for Jayden. We can't have the kids them in the community. Them this will become, you know what I'm saying, status at these heinous crimes. You understand what I'm saying? It cannot work like that. You know, as much as all the family come out and they're disputing the claims that the popular social media court have on them and the allegations that the family is responsible for his death, the auntie, who is the father's sister, you know, the one who is his caregiver, she claims, say, them innocent and they have not been abusing Jayden, they have not mistreated Jayden, and they are not responsible for his disappearance. They are just as eager as the rest of the public anticipating his return home, but people think otherwise. People think that them are liar and them are wicked people and them know where the little boy there. You understand? And it is in for them best interest as well as the public best interest that them probably hand over themselves to the government and start talk, because Jamaican people them serious. Me I tell you, them I get very serious. Me not gonna really encourage no violence or not. No, me no want to judge honestly, guys, but it really and truly look fishy. It look very fishy. Something no right, people, something no right this about. Make we hear.
The family who involved in a Jayden killing, Jayden Smith, yes, in me attack. Pussy wall, no stand up right there, so. All I wanna get big stone today. Big stone! Pussy wall. No kill a little youth, no little evilous pussy wall, no. We not go dead. We not go dead. Move, no blood clot pussy wall.
In the meantime, we just have to go and clean up after the aftermath with the hurricane and so. We just have to go and bounce back. While we wait and recover from Melissa's destruction, I just want to remind all of us, Jamaica is resilient. We have faith in God, we have good neighbors, and we stand strong wherever in the world we go. Sometimes we must cut and clear, demolish, rebuild, and rise again with fresh power. Every generation brings change, but that change doesn't mean we are losing our roots. It means we're stretching them across oceans. And if there's one thing we love, it's a good gossip. Laugh softly, so don't move too far. Check out my next video, Why Melissa Chose Jamaica. They have all kinds of creepy speculations about that storm, where she came from and what her real motive was. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and most of all, keep talking about keeping our kids safe. This is Zandramah, and as always, tap, share, follow, and fuel the show. Soon a little more.